How to share your screen with friends. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on a device over here. So just tap on it and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on any of the profile over here. Now in order to share your screen with friends, you need to tap on the profile of a friend and then make a video call to them. So just tap on the video call option at the top of the screen and then just make a video call. Then tap on call, and the process and the option of sharing your screen is not properly available until the other person receives a call. So as you can see, the other person has already received my call. So all you have to do is just tap on the three dotted lines and then tap on share screen option. Now as you tap on share screen, you'll get a pop-up. So tap on continue and then tap on start now. Now as you tap on start now, you'll be able to share your screen over here. Now if you want to stop sharing it, tap on stop sharing and it will stop. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.